Amplifier unboxing. This is the Quattro 4 channel. It comes in a really nice red. Got the manual. Now these are different from most of your 4 channels. This is going, from what it says, these are Class H amplifiers, which was big for Technics in the 90s to 2004. Technics went out of business, which is very sad. But their technology lives on. Alright, we got fuses. 3 25 amp fuses. Did not expect fuses. Whoa, she's heavy. And there is the Quattro. It's about 32 centimeters. Ah, no scratches. It's definitely not a Paul Kim amplifier. TLA. What that means. Alright. Now on to the Quattro. Now this amplifier is only like 11 inches long, so there's the little Quattro. Oh shit! Why does it weigh so much? Got to look inside this thing. One sec. It's got to be two-handed. Yep, not Paul Kim amp either. There's no scratches. Look at that. And just look at those RCAs. Remote. Must have a bass knob. Subsonic, gain, bass frequency, boost. It's got bass boost. Now manual. We have, there it is. It's a little bass knob. Bass control. We also have a manual and, ooh, look at that. It's the wrong way around the sticker. That's weird. Oh, wait up. I get it. That makes sense. Alright, that's the unboxing. Thanks, guys.